Is this the fastest mesh Wi-Fi 7 system under $800? Today we're retesting the TP-Link BE10000, a powerful tri-band mesh kit promising up to 10 Gbps combined throughput. But can it truly deliver blazing speeds and seamless coverage across a real home? We've scoured expert reviews, conducted real-world benchmarks, and stress-tested it throughout a multi-floor setup. Stick around to see if this is the Wi-Fi 7 upgrade your USA home needs. TP-Link Tri-Band Wi-Fi 7 Product Overview. The TP-Link BE10000, known as Deco BE63 for the US market. It's a tri-band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system launched in 2024 by TP-Link, designed as a 2- or 3-pack mesh network. It targets medium to large homes, offering future-proof speeds and broader device support. It blends the power of Wi-Fi 7 Essential 6 GHz band, 320 MHz channels, multi-link operations, and 4K cam width, practical features like 2.5 Gbps, Ethernet ports, and USB 3 connectivity. Backed by TP-Link's Deco app and Home Shield security suite. This system aims to balance high-end performance with user-friendly, affordable mesh coverage. TP-Link Tri-Band Wi-Fi 7 performance. In real-world use, the Deco BE63 delivers impressive results. RTNGS recorded peak short-range wireless throughput of 1.8 to 1 gigabits per second at 15 feet, with sustained wired backhaul speeds topping 2.3 Gbps using a Cat6 cable. Density and speed drop at longer distances, around 610 Mbps at 50 feet, and approximately 17 Mbps at 90 feet, which is comparable to many mesh kits. User feedback supports its reliability. Best Buy reviews boast full gig finally via Wi-Fi and stable whole home coverage with minimal dead zones, compared to competitors. RTINGS rates its short-range speed at 8.910 and multi-level home performance at 8.510, outperforming TP-Link's Archer BE550 standalone router on range. Tom's Guide also praises its value. It's calling it a high-tech bargain, delivering 2 Gbps, up close and 600 megabits per second mid-range. Overall, performance excels in homes with Wi-Fi 7 or high-speed internet plans. Though it's more mainstream than ultra-luxury. Its features and tech. Wi-Fi 7 Essentials. Tri-band. MLO 320 MHz channels, 4K QAM support, deliver theoretical speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, and accommodate 200 devices. Multi-gig Ethernet ports. For auto-sensing 2.5 Gbps WAN LAN ports provide wired backhaul or high-speed device hookup. One USB 3 port supports file sharing. Simultaneous backhaul supports combined wired and wireless backhaul, enhancing reliability and range. Security and parental controls. TP-Link's Home Shield offers basic threat protection, IoT device scanning, COS VPN support, Alexa Matter integrations. And parental controls, though advanced options need a subscription. App experience. Deco app provides guided setup, network mapping, weekly security reports, firmware updates, and advanced settings like beamforming, MLO, and guest network options. Reddit.com. Design and build. Each BE63 node measures 4.2 times 4.2 times 6.9 inches, sleek and compact compared to bulky mesh systems. The cylindrical white chassis features a subtle 7 embossing, a status LED, and passive cooling 0 fans, silent operation. Inside a Qualcomm 1.5 GHz quad-core chipset and 4 internal antennas handle the tri-band radios. Ports are auto-sensing. Setup is plug-and-play with host satellite pairing. Though it lacks mounting options or fancy LED controls, it blends well in living rooms. It's durable and minimalist, ideal for visible placement without clutter. Pros. Blazing Wi-Fi 7 speeds. Up to approximately 2 Gbps. Short range, strong mid-range. Solid coverage. Great for apartments and multi-story homes. Multi-gig Ethernet and USB 3 support. Cons. Weaker 2.4 GHz performance. Some connection drops. Price and value. Standard pricing. Tilde. Out of $550 or tilde $799. Promo prices dipped to $319 to $449 on TP-Link's site. That puts it below premium mesh options like Netgear Orbi and eero Max 7. It often outpaces Budget King routers in speed and features. Connectivity. Equipped with tri-band Wi-Fi 7, MLO, DFS support, and simultaneous wired wireless backhaul. It ensures high capacity and minimal latency, boosting performance for streaming, gaming, and large device counts. Final verdict. The TP-Link BE10000 Deco BE63 is a highly compelling entry in Wi-Fi 7 mesh. It delivers real-world multi-gig speeds, impressive coverage, and value at roughly $550 to $800 for a 2 to 3 pack. For households with gigabit internet and Wi-Fi 7 capable devices, it's a future-ready upgrade. Its intuitive app, Ethernet flexibility, and robust security make setup and maintenance effortless. However, 2.4 GHz fidelity isn't top-tier. Some legacy IoT devices may struggle without tweaking. Likewise, heavy-duty users needing 10 Gbps fixed link might look higher-end. Yet for most US families upgrading from Wi-Fi 6, this is a sweet spot between speed, expandability, and cost.